Boy, you know what I can tell you? Moving and using social media at the same time for your business, woo, they don't go together very well. So your spouse is trying to do something, here you are. Stop for a second, this is good footage here, woo! Or it's 3 o'clock, I gotta post. And they're like, can we just... And you'll wonder if I'm happy there a little more than I've been. And the answer will come back to you like laughter on the wind. Rivers belong where they can ramble. Eagles belong where they can fly. I've got to be where my spirit can run free. Got to find my corner of the sky. I mean, who doesn't feel that way? Like, I just want to find my corner. Where can I be, like, free? Not like I've been in bondage here in Arkansas. I have not. And there's Mike not looking very happy with me because I'm kind of late. Okay, any votes? Which needs to go first? The wallpaper or this light fixture, which reminds me of the blobby, scary creatures in a Dean Koontz. Here is an example of why it's so important when you're picking a paint color for your wall. You get it to the space in the right lighting. You need to paint it on the wall or have a huge paper thing. Next to the lime green, our brain is going to tell us this is, well, depending on how you see it, a lavender, but it's not. It's a gray, and it's not even a taupey gray. Here's the same gray that you just saw, only it's against an eggplant. Now it looks, you know, white or cream or, you know, gray. I feel like this isn't quite what we're looking for. Who sits like that? Several hours later, I went with an even lighter gray than I had, and so it almost looks white, which I don't know if I care for. I've done look, so it's not like I'm magical. I left that bit. The first room done. Here's the next room up. This really mustardy gold dark color, and this is going to be Mike's office. This is me trying to figure out what paint color to do at 1 o'clock in the morning, which is not bright because this is not natural light, and I cannot tell if the gray is blue looking or a pretty gray. Like, I don't want gray because this looks like an office, like The Office, like a show. No. So now I don't know what to do. Hey y'all, now it's happening. And that's happening. Oh Lord, yeah, that's... Hey you guys,
Go ahead and keep doing what you're doing. Looking good. All right, let me get low.
I'm trying to not bother. I can imagine I'm talking.
Nice and easy, guys.
Like, oh my God. What did you say, Mike? We will add something to it. Clemson.
Good job, team.
Good job, team. Or SUSC, I don't know. We just want to be respectful of where we live. But sooner born and sooner bred. Go Oklahoma. And go Hogs, woo pig, suey, Razorbacks. It's a hornet, a real hornet. It's huge. It's like as big as a mouse. I'm not kidding, and I'm gonna kill him. Okay, I want this. Oh my, he's preparing himself for battle. Can you see that? Outside, I'm sorry, but look at that stinger. Do you see that? It was coming out. Oh, dude. This proves that women are stupid. I feel bad. He was trying to get out of the window, but I'm sorry. That stinger is, no. All right, a really cool view. And how good is God? I have always wanted a magnolia tree. And, okay, granted it's in a neighbor's yard, okay? But they like... Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, oh, why can't I?